Let's look at this problem. We need to find the smallest positive number n that makes this big expression equal to 1. Let's clean up the fraction first. We times the top and bottom by 1 plus I. This is called the conjugate trick, and it helps us get rid of I on the bottom. Let's open up the top. 1 plus I times 1 plus I gives us 1 plus 2I plus I squared. And remember, I squared is negative 1. So we get 2I. Now the bottom. 1 take away I times 1 plus I is 1 take away I squared. That's 1 take away negative 1, which gives us 2. Now put the top and bottom together. 2I split into 2 equal parts is just I. Wow, that big fraction was hiding a tiny little I inside. Now let's go back to our problem. We can swap an I where the fraction used to be. So our problem is now much simpler. I to the power 2n equals 1. Let's remember how powers of I work. They go in a circle. I to the 1 is I squared is negative 1, I cubed is negative I, and I to the 4 comes back to 1. Then it starts all over again. For I to some power to equal 1, that power must be a multiple of 4. So 2n has to be 4, or 8, or 12, and so on. We want the smallest positive n. The smallest multiple of 4 is just 4 itself. So 2n equals 4, and n equals 2. Let's check. Put n equals 2 back in. We get I to the power 4, and we know I to the 4 is 1. It works perfectly. Great job. The smallest positive value of n that makes the equation true is 2. We did it by making the fraction simpler, and then using the repeating pattern of powers of I.